Ladies, I've just received my performance package from Manscaped. I can't wait for my man to be Manscaped. In this package comes with the ball deodorant. We are also looking at the ball toner. We are looking at the beard conditioner. We are looking at trimmer to keep that beard all nicely manscaped. Then we have the weed whacker. The weed whacker is to clip those nose hairs and ear hairs so that you don't have to see them, because I know that you don't like looking at them. We also have beard shampoo, and we also have the Manscaped trimmer. So to keep the lawn down there looking nicely manscaped. Listen, Manscaped has an Easter special going on right now because they want your man to look like an Easter egg. Oh, smooth and pretty and sweet. So head over to manscaped.com and use the code TRANSFORM to get 20% off this wonderful Manscaped performance package. That website again is manscaped.com, code TRANSFORM for 20% off.